Hey everybody, it's Megan. I had to come on real quick because it's here! My Amazebox showed up, so I'm so excited. And I had to do a video because I wanted to do an unboxing. And I was afraid if I didn't do it now, I would get too excited and open it and not do video. So here we go. I got my scissors. This is my lovely Amazebox. Oh, cute. I got some Lime Life stickers. There's a cute little card. It's got a quote from Mark Twain that says, "The two most important days in your life are the day you're born and the day you find out why." It says, "Your June Amazebox." It says, "Every day should feel like Summer Friday. Amaze yourself." Oh, cute. And it's got like a little amaze yourself at work quiz, what you look forward to. So that's cool. So it has, let me see. Inside says amaze yourself, and it's got really pretty tissue paper. Ooh, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. It's got 40 Cure Cream is the full-sized item. I guess I should put in the description that they're spoilers for people that haven't gotten theirs yet. I need to add that on there. So we have a full-sized 4-ounce jar of the 40 Cure Cream. And if you do not know what this is, it is amazing. I always thought the name was kind of funny because it's called 40 Cure Cream. And I always thought that sounded like it was like an anti-aging thing. But that's actually the name of the tree. It's a tamanu seed that comes from a tree that, and I forget what country it's from, but it's a tree that they call, the natives actually called the 40 Cure tree because the seeds were so good for different ailments, especially skin ailments, I believe. So I am super excited. This is when I had done a post before about the 40 Cure Cream and how it's really great for eczema and psoriasis and that kind of stuff, especially if you have skin irritations. It's also supposed to be really great for burns or anything like that. So I've kind of been on standby watching my family to see if anybody has any burns or skin ailments. They think I'm a little creepy. So that is really cool that that is the full-sized item that comes in this month's box. I forget, I want to say it's probably, I think it's like between $30 and $40 is the value of this, that if you ordered it from the catalog. So that right there is almost the cost of your whole box. So that is really cool that that is the full-size item that comes in this month's box. So I'm really excited about that. That is super cool. Ooh, they also get a sample size Enduring Lip Color. And this one is macaroon, which is exciting because that is the color that I do not have yet. So that is really exciting that that's the travel size thing that comes. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
And then the other thing that's in here is Sotox face serum in the travel size. Oh my gosh, I'm excited because this is one thing that I hadn't ordered yet, so I'm really excited.
So is that you?
Yeah, it shows up me. Hi, bud.
And the coat eats.
My little boy is helping me. So anyway, that was the other thing, is the Sotox travel size. So I am really excited to have some of this. I think that is so cool that you get the little travel size things too, along with your full size thing. What, bud?
Can I cut this?
No, no scissors, thank you. So anyway, I am super excited. So again, I got the full-sized item in my box this month was the 40 Cure Cream. And then I got the sample size, the travel-sized macaroon, Enduring Lip Color, and Sotox. So if you have not yet ordered your Amazebox, you can still get June's box, or if you want to wait, you can do July. I just think it is so cool that you can do the subscription box and get kind of a preview of different products that you might not normally order. So I'm so excited. So I can't wait to try the macaroon lip color and the Sotox. So this is really cool. These are products that I don't have yet, so I am really excited about that. So I can't wait for you guys to get your boxes if you've ordered them. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to answer questions. So yeah, that's it. That's my box. I'm so excited. Don't forget, you can still get your June box if you want to. I'm not sure if they're back in stock yet, so if you want to shoot me a message, I can let you know when they are back in stock. So yeah, let me know if you have questions or if you want to be notified when the boxes are back in stock. So thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.